In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to label an email in Gmail. Labels are one of the easiest ways to keep your inbox organized, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through two simple methods you can use right away. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add labels to any email so you can find important messages faster. First, make sure you're logged into your Gmail account and looking at your inbox on a computer browser. On the left side of the screen, you'll see your list of labels like inbox, starred, and any custom labels you've created. If you don't immediately see all your labels, you may need to click More to expand the list. The quickest way to label an email is to drag and drop. Find the email you want to label in your inbox. With your mouse, click and hold on that email, then drag it over to the label you want on the left sidebar. When the label name is highlighted, release the mouse. Gmail will apply that label to the email. This method is perfect when you already see the label you want and you just want to quickly categorize a few messages. Now let's look at the second method, which gives you a bit more control, especially if you want to add more than one label. Start by clicking on the email you want to label so it opens up fully on your screen. At the top of the email, you'll see a row of icons. Look for the icon with 3 vertical dots, which stands for More Options, and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Label As. This opens a small window showing all your available labels. Here, you can scroll through and select one or multiple labels by clicking the checkboxes next to their names. This is helpful if an email fits into several categories like work and invoices. Once you've chosen the labels you want, go to the bottom of that window and click Apply. Gmail will attach those labels to your email right away. You'll usually see the labels appear next to the email subject line, confirming that everything worked. Remember, labels don't move emails out of your inbox unless you combine them with filters or archiving later. They're simply a flexible way to tag and group messages so you can stay organized as your inbox grows.